What's up, y'all? It's a beautiful, chilly morning, and I'm headed over to Black Gold Harley Davidson. And the reason I'm going over here this early, and it's like a little bit before 8 o'clock, you know, Saturdays is first come, first serve over here to get your bike done. So, y'all already know, I was doing more work on Khrome, and it's getting done today. Y'all at the Black Gold Harley Davidson. All right, y'all. We at Black Gold Harley Davidson, and I'm gonna go ahead and check in, and so I can get my bike, get the new cam oil pump, cam plate, cam cover, everything on there, man. I'm gonna show you what I got going on. I'm gonna show you what I got real quick. Let me show you. So for you who are just catching up with my videos, man, I got the performance machine. This is a gasket in here. The cam bearing, the oil pump, and the fueling oil pump and the fueling plate here. So that's the plate right there. Let me show it to you. So that's it right there. So yeah, let's get checked in. I got to go home and wash this boy here. This boy is dirty. But when I go home, I'm gonna start pulling the lures off. I'm gonna start pulling all this other stuff off of here, man. So yeah. Oh my God. Is that the bike Jack talking about? No, that's another bike. But yo, we're gonna start pulling the lures off this boy. Start moving the Ultracool up. Put the new bracket on. Yeah, man. Put the chin spoiler on. All that is going on. So yeah, should look sick, dude. I know a lot of people say that I'm losing stuff, but nah, man, I'm good, man. Let me go check out this bike. Oh, I can hear it chopping. What cam is that?
Robbie knows. Robbie!
He traded this boy in?
No, he just bought it.
He just bought it?
He hasn't picked it up yet.
Oh, okay.
Give it a sec.
Oh, he got the jack. Is that the jackpot? No, but Sonny, okay.
This is a Jim's V-Twin Performance Max Cell 827E. And that's why I don't remember it.
God, that is a long name, man.
I'll be honest though, I've ridden some 131s that don't rip like this thing does.
Really? Ooh. Yeah. And that's just a 117?
That's a 117 with a cam. Yeah, that's it.
Hey, what kind of horsepower did he make?
This cam usually puts out like 140 and 140.
What? That's what the people were telling me about the 4.8, dude. So, which one you like better? You like torque or horsepower?
I'm a torque guy.
You a torque guy?
If I were to live on a racetrack, horsepower, but because of the way day-to-day riding
Traffic
is,
yeah. That makes sense. That's why I got the one I got too as well. So, but yeah, it sounds sick, man. Yeah, that boy ready to go. He made 140 what?
These cams and these bikes usually put out 140 horsepower, 140 torque.
God damn, just on a cam on a 117?
Gen 2 M8, man.
Gen 2 M8, yeah, exactly. Yeah. Well, man. Yeah, it sounds good, dude. I'm in Black Gold and there's no music playing. What? No music playing. So, yeah. I'm good, man. Hey y'all, y'all gotta come see this man here. When I say this is a real brother right here, he white, but he my brother. But hey man, I love this dude right here, man. So y'all come up here and check out Keith. He gets you taken care of on your warranty and what other stuff you do up here, man?
Everything, pretty much.
This man does everything, man. So y'all come check him out. And come check out this beautiful lady here and her beautiful smile here. Yeah.
Yes.
Y'all come see her. Yeah. Y'all come check him out. And check out Knucklehead right here. Get you a new bike. So yeah, but I'm finna ride my dude Jack bike right here. But let me check my bike in real quick. Yeah. You know when you get over here, man, you're like a kid in the candy store. You just get to looking at all the bikes, you talking to all your friends. So yeah. Let me get my bike checked in. Alright. What's up, man? Here he is. Here he is right here. This is the man right here. The big dog that's doing big dog stuff on Khrome, y'all. So yeah, did they show you what the parts was?
I saw some of the tour pack.
Yeah. I grab them all. But y'all want great work done. That's why that's why I keep coming back here for my work right here. Cause of that guy right there. So yeah. Let's get this out of here. All right, y'all. I'm back a little late, but it's all good. Ooh, that boy need to be washed for real, don't it, man? Look at that.
Dirty.
He's getting them. He done got the exhaust off. Yeah. I'm not gonna even lie, y'all. I'm thinking about that 19-inch wheel, dude. Yeah, but all this is coming off. I can't wait, y'all. I can't wait. But yeah, this is all the stuff that's going on here. And yeah, I'm excited about it too right there. The cam, everything. I don't know what kind of torque I'm gonna have, but I'm excited to see what I'm gonna have on this bike right here. So yeah, but I'm gonna get back with you when he get ready to put the Feuling Moto oil pump and the Feuling Moto cam plate on. Man, I should have brought these over here so I could went on and put those in the back. I got those at the house too. While he got this all broke down. Oh man. Yeah, I should have grabbed those. Well, I could have put it on here and here. Oh my Jesus. It made me want to run back to the house. But it's all good though. All right, y'all. We getting it done. I don't know if your dealership let you in the back when you to look at the bike, but this is definitely a good time to check your bike out. Let's see anything, if anything loose, anything missing, or whatever. While he got it broke down. So yeah. So but after this right here, when I get this done, this is gonna be it on the motor. I'm not going back in this boy no more, but I am gonna get it painted. Yeah, I'm gonna get it back denim black, maybe with like a red stripe or two in there. So. Get the fairing repainted, and those, you know, I found they found a guy here that does Harley paint, so he's here. So I'm gonna get him to do all the paint on the board. I'm almost can't get my words out, y'all. I'm gonna tell you though, that 135, 167 torque. That's another animal out there that I was just on. That was another animal. So yeah, man, we're gonna get this on right here. Man, he's taking stuff out right now. So yeah, let's check it out, man. Without the plastic wrapper. Ooh, that looks good, man. I started to get the transmission one, but I'll do that one later. But that was high, man. Hey y'all, anybody looking for a great cam? This is a 30-30 Star Racing cam in great shape. Awesome shape, y'all. Yeah. So, but I'm going with the bigger cam over here. So yeah. Yeah. Awesome, y'all. That's the cam I got. The new cam. This is the old 30-30 Star Racing. So like I say, if you're looking for a cam, email me at KellyBGliding, and we'll get it sent out. You can ask people about me. I do send your stuff out when you buy something from me. I have did some quite a few times. So yeah, let's go. If you're looking for a great cam, that's it right there. 30-30 Star Racing. I mean, it's in good condition too, y'all. Yeah. Does it fit? You got a new
like one size fits all, you know?
One size fits all.
Kind of like a condom.
Hey, y'all didn't hear that, did you? Hey, this guy is funny. He's quiet, but he's a dadgum comedian over here. Hey, y'all, we getting the oil pump on, y'all, from Feuling, y'all. If you got a 2017 to a 2019, they need to change, really kind of change that oil pump.
Oh, yeah.
They need to change the upgrade on that oil pump. So y'all, make sure y'all check that out, man. Awesome job, Austin. Yes, sir. Y'all see the feeling? Yeah. Man, that looks good, man. I can't wait to get home and wash this bike up. This bike is dirty, y'all. Hey, I've been riding the crap out of Khrome, y'all. I know a lot of the Gold Wing ride like, man, why you ain't riding the Gold Wing? But dude, I don't know, man. It's all good though. But Austin getting it right. Whew. Hey y'all, make sure your brake lever's installed right. Look at that, man. That ain't installed right like that. Y'all see that? The cotter pin in there, everything, but it ain't even through the hole.
Hey, at least you put the cotter pin back.
Yeah. I did that, y'all. My bad. Y'all, this man Austin, I didn't know this though. This is new to me. I just asked Austin how long you been a tech. 20 years, y'all. I see why I like this guy. This guy got great experience, and when I say I haven't had an issue riding this bike up and down the highway from my stage 2, stage 4, 20 years experience, this guy right here. I recommend y'all, if you're in this area, you're looking for a great technician who's gonna take their time and get the job done right. This is the guy right here, y'all. I put this guy up against anybody at any dealership. I don't care where you at. This guy here, dude. I'm serious though, bro. Hey, cause you know I done been over the highways, man, and did some traveling. But I get this man big ups right here, y'all. So if you're in the area, you need some work done, I recommend you come see Austin. And you got the request for him. Don't just bring your bike up here and think he gonna jump on you. You got the request for this man right here. So y'all, appreciate Austin, man, so much, man. When you tighten the push rod, you got to get it, or you just kind of know?
You find 0 lash on top of the lifters, and then for these Harley push rod or adjustable push rods, especially, they do 2.5 turns out after 0 lash.
Okay.
Makes it easy.
He's priming it, y'all. I'm new at this game. Will trying to get on me over there, but he's priming it right now. So yeah, we're gonna hear that first starter before I leave. He didn't hear it. Hey. Yeah, I can feel that way over here.
Yeah, it's moving some air.
Yeah. In a while, man. Where you been?
Well, you probably come on Saturday. I'm not here on Saturday.
Oh, okay.
You got some little heat cycle storage, man.
That boy. New cam, bigger cam. Yeah.
Hey, there's a rumble on the road, feel that thunder roll. Kelly B's coming through, taking back control. Chrome shining bright in the break of day. Leaning in the curves, just riding his way. He rides with fire, he rides with pride. Wind in his hair on that Kelly B glide. No looking back, just miles to burn. Every twist and turns, another lesson learned. From mountain roads to the desert sun, he don't stop till the ride is done. Throttle open wide, he's feeling free. This life on 2 wheels is where he's meant to be.